Hi, in front of me I have Huawei Honor Watch Magic and I'm gonna show you how to force the restart on this device. We need to press and hold the upper button, so let's press and hold it and keep holding it. When the watch vibrates and you see Honor logo, you can release the upper button. And after a few seconds, our watch is gonna reboot. And that's how you force the restart on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.